Hello everyone, I am your friend Rajparamveer Bhateja. Today I am going to tell you how to very easily bleach your white and light clothes at home. If you like this video ahead, please go and subscribe my channel Frolic Smile. For bleaching clothes, we will take 1 cup liquid soap, 1 cup of acetic acid, half cup baking soda, and lastly we will take half cup hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide will work as bleaching agent in this process. Now mix them all together for a minute in your washing machine. Dip 8 to 9 clothes into the solution for half an hour. Friends, let me tell you, bleaching is done only on white or light clothes. It is not done on dark clothes. Now mix the clothes well in your washing machine. After this bleaching process, we will clean the clothes in clean water and spin them in washing machine. See friends, how clean our white clothes are now. Likewise, we can bleach our white and light clothes at home. So friends, I will be coming up with more interesting videos like this. Please subscribe Frolic Smile and stay tuned. Thank you.